So now we had our math Zoom live. It's time for you to do your math assignment. So we are working on making math stories. In the older grades, they call them word problems. But now it's your turn to make a math story. So here is what I want you to do. You have to think of a math story. It has to do with a teenage number, which we know is 10 and a few more. So when we were in our math Zoom live, I gave you a couple of math stories that I made up, where the story tells about 10 of something, and then there were a few more of something else, and then there was a question at the end of the story. It's your turn to be the teacher, and I want you to make up a math story. It needs to have the number 10, and then it needs to have another number. And your story has to be a story that you can draw. So, do you remember when we were doing the Math Zoom Live? I told a story about crackers, and I drew a picture of the plate and the crackers and the hand with the crackers. You remember that? So whatever story you come up with, because you're the teacher now, you have to be able to draw a picture that goes along with your story. So that's the first part. Then you need to take your drawing of your math story, and you're going to come here on Flipgrid, and you're going to hold up your picture, and you're going to tell your math story just like you're the teacher, just like I did on the Math Zoom lesson. Okay? They're called word problems, but in kindergarten we call them math stories. I bet you could do just as good a job as me. I can't wait for you to teach me.